What's up, good people? This is me, Abdullah Mahmood, and today I'm gonna let you see that how you can install VS Code into your operating system. This is supported for all available operating systems like Mac, Linux, and Windows as well. Anyway, to get the software, we need to write down the VS Code download on the Google search bar. Once you press enter, you would find their official website at the very beginning. So let's open it, and there you go. As you can see on the screen, there are multiple versions for different operating systems like Windows and different bits. As you can see, 64 bits, 32 bits, as well as the Linux operating system, as well as for the Mac OS. And there are three types of chip, like Universal, Intel chip, and Apple Silicon. As my MacBook Pro is Apple Silicon processor, which contains Apple Silicon processor, so I would download this version. And at the bottom area, as you can see, I have already downloaded the version for Silicon processor. And he who have the Intel processor, just click on this, so you would get the Intel version. In my concern, I have downloaded the Apple Silicon version. Well, let's find it in the Finder, and as you can see, this is the zip file, so we need to expand it. Yeah, now we have extracted that. Okay, now I will just click it and take it for the application folder, like here. Well, it is done. Now I will check whether the VS Code software installed perfectly or not. But yeah, that is installed perfectly. So I'm gonna run it. Open. There you go. We have successfully installed the VS Code. This is very lightweight editing software for developers. Now let's open a folder. In our case, what we're gonna do is that tech type. I'm just gonna drag it out here. So my company website would be redirected here. So let's trust the author. Well, yeah, this is our official website. Now, how can we run that? We need to install an extension called Live Server. Yep, that is the here. Yep, there you go. This is Live Server. Just install. All right, we have successfully installed the Live Server. Okay, now let's go into the code, and we will right click and open with Live Server. Just click here, and we would see our official website here. Yep, there you go. So very simple. We can simply install VS Code software for our operating system, and we can code with great features. Thanks for watching this video. Stay with me. Have a good time. Bye bye.